Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these paper claws. This is a very easy origami, perfect for Halloween, and the only material needed to make each claw is a whole sheet of paper. To make it easier, let's first rotate to this position and fold the short edge to the long edge. Once that's done, fold the corner to the right. Now let's fold the two corners on the bottom side. Let's fold the bottom side up. Now we have a triangle. Let's fold this triangle in half. Unfold it. Now we need to bring the right side to the middle. Keeping this part folded, let's bring the left side over it. Then let's go to the other side. And then we're going to fold the remaining part over it. Unfold. Now, with the paper in this position, and using the diagonal edge on the left as a reference, we'll fold the opposite diagonal on the right side. To do that, start folding here in the middle, aligning with the edge of the other layer, and at the same time, keep this fold aligned with the right side. Unfold that, fold this part over the other side again, and using the crease we just made, we'll put this corner inside this space on the other layer, on this pocket. We have our paper claw. Now let's shape it to fit our finger. Open up this part of the paper. And insert your finger inside. Then, as an optional detail, you can flatten and shape this corner here, creating the joint. Our paper claw is ready! You just need to repeat the same process and make the others. Now that you understand the logic, you can making the claws with different colors, or maybe changing the size a bit for each finger, but that's the idea. I hope you liked this video, thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time!